Welcome to Thomas Top 5, where we highlight our most popular recent stories. General Motors is leveraging AI, including digital twins, machine learning, and robotics, to optimize manufacturing processes, enhance safety, and improve production quality. The plan emphasizes collaboration between human workers and technology, rather than complete automation. Check out our write-up about GM's advanced technologies. In robotics news, a UK fire department is testing a robot equipped with thermal imaging, video and audio communication, and the ability to spray large volumes of water. The firefighting bot is designed to reduce risks and response times while enhancing efficiency during fire incidents and rescue operations. Watch what the robot can do in this video. Meanwhile, Nissan and a South Korean battery manufacturer have partnered to establish U.S. production operations that will provide nearly 100 gigawatt-hours of electric vehicle batteries over 6 years. The agreement will create 1,700 jobs and supply SK On's EV batteries to Nissan's factory in Mississippi. Read more about the deal in our article. In more EV industry news, BYD has introduced a new charging system that enables 249 miles of range in under 5 minutes. The advancement aims to alleviate consumer charging anxiety and solidify its position in the industry. Learn about how the ultra-fast system could change the EV market in this write-up. And finally, researchers have developed a 3D-printed, biodegradable fungal battery that self-destructs by consuming its own materials after use. The battery generates power through microbial fuel cell processes and offers a sustainable power source for remote sensors. Head over to our video to see the innovation. For more industrial news and trends, head to thomasnet.com/insights. I'm Megan Conniff, and this is Thomas Top 5.